So I have been getting this question a lot, and they want to know how I do it, so y'all can get the tea, the real tea. What is good, guys? It's your girl Kiana Ajane, the official BombBae, and welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see from the title, we are going to be doing how I make my thumbnails. So I have been getting this question a lot. You could say it's highly requested on my channel. Everybody likes my thumbnails and they want to know how I do it. So make sure y'all stay tuned, watch this whole video all the way through so y'all can get the tea, the real tea. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe to the BombBae YouTube channel. Join the gang, join the squad, BombBae Empire. Y'all already know. Follow me on Instagram at lowkey at I am BombBae. I'm gonna leave it down below. Y'all already know. So let's get into this video. Alright, y'all. So let me grab my phone because this is where we're gonna be doing the thumbnail. Okay, y'all, so first things first, the app that I use for my thumbnails is going to be PhotoGrid. So if you don't have PhotoGrid, go ahead and download it now. I believe they have like a 1-week free trial or something like that. So make sure you guys read the terms and conditions before you start agreeing to anything. But I do use PhotoGrid to make my thumbnails. The next thing I do is I edit on iMovie, so I will go to iMovie and I would screenshot the picture that I want to use for my thumbnail for the video. So I already went to iMovie and screenshotted the picture that I wanted to use for my thumbnail. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to PhotoGrid and I'm going to select the picture that I want to use. So this is a picture that I'm going to use for my next thumbnail. And as you guys can see, like, I'm dead in the center of the photo, so it's kind of hard to place your words there. So what I normally do, if I'm not going to put the words straight across, I normally just move the picture over to the side. Still that I'm in it, but just over to the side so it leaves a little bit of space for the words. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is I already have my font set to a certain font that I like, but they do have a lot of options if you guys want to check it out on PhotoGrid. They also have like a lot of different features like the text, the background, the color, the border, all that stuff that you can use on PhotoGrid. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to text and I'm going to write something on my thumbnail that's going to make someone want to watch my video if it pops up on their feed. You want your thumbnail to look good. You want it to look clean. You want it to look appealing because that's the first thing people are going to see, and pretty much they base if they're going to watch your video or not on your thumbnail. So you want it to be cute. Okay, so the picture that I have here is from a video that I'm going to drop, which is about shouting out different brands. So I'm just going to put shout out brands, shout out, or actually I'm going to put brand shout outs. Brand shout outs. Okay, cool. Alright, so it's going to pop up and it's just going to be like straight across and you can't really see the letters. So I'm going to go to border, and I always like to use white or like black for the border. So I always just turn it all the way up so that way the words kind of pop out at you. But I don't like how it's like dead in the center. So I'm actually going to change that also. So I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller. I'm going to edit it and then I'm just going to like have it go down in a row instead. And then I'm going to move each word a little bit so it kind of looks better and like aligned is what I want to say. Alright, so after that I'm just going to move it over to the side, and it's kind of small, so I'm just going to open it up a little bit and make it bigger since I have the extra space to do that since we moved the picture over a little bit. Okay, so right now that's pretty much what I would do for my thumbnails. I have my picture and I have the words that I have on my thumbnail, but now you could add some emojis to spice it up a little bit. So since I'm going to be shouting out a couple of brands, I am going to put some emojis here. I'm going to put like the fire emoji because y'all know like it's hot, like y'all lit, stuff like that. So I'm going to put the fire emoji, and I'm also going to put the little hot face emoji. So I'm going to make that a little bit bigger and just put it underneath the words that I have right there. And that's how I would make my thumbnail. For me, I would just leave it like that. I would just like have it like plain like that. But if you wanted to add some more stuff, like, you literally can just add anything because it has everything on here. So if you wanted to spice up your lifestyle a little bit and add some more emojis, you could do that. If you wanted to add some more words, you can do that. But for me, I like to keep it nice and clean, easy to read, and all that good stuff. So after that, I would go to next, and then my thumbnail would automatically save to my photos, and then I would just upload it to YouTube. And ladies and gents, there you have it. That's how I make my thumbnails, and that was so easy. Like, wasn't that so easy, like using only one app to do your thumbnails? Like, literally just put your picture there and just put some words and some emojis, and it just looks pretty. So PhotoGrid is the GOAT for the thumbnails. That's what I use. I hope this video was very helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comments. I will get back to you as soon as possible, and that's pretty much it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video. If anybody needs some help with their thumbnail, refer this video. So follow me on Instagram, guys, at lowkey at I'm BombBae. I'm gonna leave it down below. Y'all already know it's pretty much it for this video. So as always, stay BombBae.